Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Test number 16. Lying somewhere at the bottom of the stack of thousands of cases pending before the Supreme Court of Pakistan is an appeal filed by the residents of the villages of the Thar Desert whose lives and livelihoods have been threatened by disposal on their lands of highly toxic water being pumped out during coal mining. Full stop. The court is also to determine if the provincial government's acquisitions of the community lands on behalf of the company under the Provincial and Acquisition Act for the effluent water disposal sites is for public purposes the basis for such land acquisitions. Full stop. Disposal of water harvested from coal mines has always been a major issue due to its potential environmental impact, according to a water expert from Karachi. Full stop. Para. When a government servant is appointed or transferred to a post of such a nature that a person from whom he has borrowed money or to whom he has otherwise placed himself under a pecuniary obligation will be subject to his official authority or will reside, possess immovable property or carry on business within the local limits of such authority. Full stop. The government servant shall forthwith declare the circumstances when he is a gazetted officer to government through the usual channel, and where he is a non-gazetted government servant to the head of his office. Full stop. Every government servant shall submit his to the government in the prescribed pro forma through a usual channel an annual declaration of income, assets and expenses for the financial year ending on 30th June, showing any increase or decrease of property as shown in the declaration under sub rule 1 for the last annual return as the case may be. Full stop. Declaration of assets per forma shall be opened in the concerned section each year and entered into the relevant database, and expenses during any period specified by such order in the form specified therein. Full stop. No government servant shall speculate in investments. Full stop. For the purpose of this sub-rule, the habitually purchase and sale of security of notoriously fluctuating value shall be deemed to be speculation in investments. Full stop. No government servant shall make or permit any member of his family to make any investment like to embarrass or influence him in the discharge of his official duties. Full stop. No government servant shall make any investment the value of which is likely to be affected by some event of which information is available to him as a government servant and is not equally available to the general public. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorten and Community College Shadra.